Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your MAVzone account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in MAVzone Login. Once you press enter, you will see these kind of results. From this, click on the very first link. Once the link is opened, you will see this kind of interface. On this page, you'll have to enter your username on this box. Go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password on the second box. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. In case if you want to change your password, you can click on this button, and if you don't remember your password, you can click on this button to recover it. Once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the login to your account button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos just like this. And I will catch you on the next one.